Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video and to learn OneNote. We want as many people as possible to learn how to work effectively with tools like OneNote, Office 365 and Surface. So please refer this series to your friends and colleagues. If you really want to have an impact with your team, the most effective way is to set aside time each week to improve your digital skills. You can set up this process in your organization with our Microsoft 365 coaching programs. Check out the link below to see our instructor-facilitated coaching programs and contact us for more information.
Are you ready to get productive with OneNote? OneNote includes a feature called tagging. Now, tagging in OneNote is probably a little different to what you'd expect. It's not like tagging in Twitter or Facebook or Instagram or any social media site. It's actually a concept that was sort of started before those things became popular. So tagging in OneNote, and you'll see on the home toolbar, the tagging section, tagging allows you to simply mark content with a specific tag. For example, we have a to-do tag. You can click on tags to place them, or if you prefer, you can use keyboard shortcuts. For example, the to-do tag is usually Control and the number 1, and I can attach that to a line of text or handwriting. And this one is simply a tick box, so it helps me to create a very simple checklist. So you can tag any of your content with any of the tags that are available from the tags list. So for example, I could also flag something as important, or maybe something as a question. If you drop down the tags list, you can even create your own custom tags. What I've seen some people do with this is create a tag like assigned to Olivia or assigned to Tate. And each time something comes up in a meeting that has to be assigned to one of those people who are present in the meeting, they'll tag it that way. I guess the question is, why would you want to tag something in this way? Well, in addition to just tagging, OneNote has the ability to search those tags. To find a tag on your page or in your notebook, click on the search button. Underneath the search button, you'll see a filter for pages or tags. Click on the tags filter. You'll notice that the search scope might be set to all notebooks, and you can change this to the current notebook, the current section, or the current page. When I click on the tasks in the search pane on the left-hand side, it will automatically take me to that spot right on my OneNote page. The tags feature was recently introduced to the OneNote app, and we expect to see new functionality added to this over time. In OneNote, you can use tags to track and follow up on all sorts of information. And now that you know how to use tags, you're ready to get productive with OneNote.